Hello guys and welcome to today's Fortnite video. Today we found out if Deadpool's yacht could float on the tsunami storm. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, let's get into the video. As you can see, the storm is pretty close now. We're on Deadpool's yacht waiting to see if it will float. If it does, that'll be amazing, because as you may have seen in the Doomsday event, Deadpool's yacht was floating on the tsunami storm. So let's test if it happens in a real-time match. And if it does happen, then we will be testing what happens if you just stay on it and will it just float around and stuff like that. So yeah. So it's coming towards it right now. Makes sense if it floated though, because it's a boat. Anyway, oh here we go. Oh man, it's flooding. Oh that is. Oh what? Oh come on! Surely it floats. Please tell me it floats. Oh my god! Oh come on! Are you serious? Deadpool's yacht doesn't float. It's a boat. What's the point of it being a boat? Fortnite, what is the point of Deadpool's yacht being a boat if it doesn't float? Oh, right. Well, that's it. That's it. Oh, I'm really disappointed now. Anyway, yeah, we'll just go, I guess. Gonna have to escape. Well, that was a bit disappointing, but that is it for today. Please help us to 30 subscribers. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.